Madalas ba nawawala ka sa buhay, hindi mo alam ang gagawin mo? Lost, tuliro, hilo. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel, The Sinigang, Champurado, Lugaw, Comfort Podcast. The first ever episode. Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Carmina. This one, since I am on cultivating hope via creativity, let this podcast be a part of this YouTube channel. So guys, welcome. Okay, so syempre guys, may pa-intro tayo ng gano'n. Kunyari lost tayo yung gano'n. Pero that is the kind of a scenario where, ano yun guys, exaggerated scenario. Pero this one, if you are going to analyze sinigang, champurado, lugaw are all variations of soup, which is in having another meaning for comfort, isn't it? Like we need some comfort most of the time in our lives, in our daily living on earth, right? So I'm not gonna say this is not the perfect channel. I am not perfect. I will not be providing the best answer, but somehow we just cultivate ways to find comfort in our in simple moments in life, in situations, right? So this channel is all about that. So guys, again, don't forget to please tune in always on my channel, Prototypes YouTube channel, The Sinigang, Champurado, and Lugaw Comfort Podcast. Welcome guys! Guys, sobrang pa ako naninibago. Kind of very feeling new, feeling nervous about this. I don't know if I'm going to translate or let it just flow English Tagalog. So guys, thank you so much. I appreciate everybody who's visiting this channel because it only has started. It has begun only just a few weeks ago, and hopefully one day it will pick up. By the way, this is my exercise channel, discipline and exercise channel. That is a bit of about yoga, exercising, discipline in eating. Please check out. All right, I'll link it down below, but it's here. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I have answered the question which is what is the name of the podcast? What is this podcast? Have I introduced myself? I'm Carmina, a single mom. I'm a single mom. Yun, I teach baking before, and that's a situation. I co-parent my son with my parents, but my son is already has maybe trying his life abroad, working there, and I'm kind of an empty nester na hindi. You get nyo guys. And then what's the next question? How we will do this podcast through some informations that we can acquire to learn from, or maybe have at least ideas to cultivate comfort, hope during when life is challenging, especially when we are facing. I'm coming from there, like the goal of this channel also, as I myself feels, of course, as a single parent or some kind of, I'm trying to cultivate hope through creativity, but also wanting to find ways how others are dealing with being alone, being lonely. But there are some people who are alone but happy, guys. Don't get me wrong. Like I'm very much contented naman, but somehow there are days, of course, right? So are you interested? So that this channel is all about, it's going to be about that specifically, guys, in this podcast. All right, so just providing comfort. That's why it's all under the name of famous Filipino, some kind of favorite soup choices: the sinigang, champurado, which is chocolate porridge, and lugaw, which is congee. All right, so guys, again, let's see guys what we can offer here. So yun guys. Guys, disclaimer this channel, if you are into some kind of seriousness, like can't no one to turn to or nobody to talk to, or totally like really losing hope, you think you can't bear it already, please have someone nearest you that you can trust, or consult a professional or consult your doctor. Okay, do not forget. All right, so take care of yourself. All right, so this is just some ideas that we can turn to or learn from whenever our go-to instead of doing something that is not yung you get me, yung ganun. Basta guys, ito yun. So I'm interested in how people are coping with this situation. All right, thank you guys for listening. Guys, why this podcast, this comfort podcast? Because many people right this moment, like us, also loses hope. So if you feel like you're hopeless, you're in a situation wherein unbearable, then others too are feeling this way. So don't feel like you're alone in this one. All right, so that's why this channel's goal is also, well, it sparks hope, of course. It sparks action, gives individuals the push they need to reach a goal, eases pain, panandali ang makatawid lang guys, yung parang lightens the heavy load of stress or sadness, yung parang it uplifts the spirit, yung ganun guys, to spread joy guys, makes positive emotions grow for everyone involved, deepens bonds, creates strong and healthy ties with friends, family, and co-workers. Or maybe this channel, maybe can be, di ba, some resources online, it can be our go-to whenever we are feeling this way. Tapos, it lifts our mood, helps us feel good and find purpose by helping others, di ba? And encouraging someone who is going through a hard time. It does encourage, right? So even so, these simple stories, simple how do you call this, simple sentiments, or expressing your venting out what you're di ba, yung ganun. So very important guys. Yun guys. So I don't know what you're going through right this moment. I don't have the right to, di ba, mamamanghimasok or something, or to interfere, or because we don't know each other naman. But somehow, just in case you're interested, hold on, diyan ka lang, wag kang ganun, steady lang, or kind of, di ba, there's hope all the time. And di ba, we come close to those situations, yung sometimes wala na talaga, hopeless na, wala na, but wag, di ba? So ayun, so in the next few episodes, kasi guys, I'm losing memory with my guys, memory storage wise in my mobile phone, to put up some more informations on this first episode. This is just the opening or introduction or pa-teaser, yung ganun. So again, just stay there. There are a lot of ways to cultivate hope, but we have to also do our part, right? So again, stay tuned on this comfort podcast, which is the Sinigang, Champorado, and Lugaw podcast. It's kind of very Filipino-ish, Pinoyish, ganon, comfort Tagalog, English Tagalog, minsan iba-ibang language. So ayun guys, so sana guys, at least just this one, a spark of hope, hope sparked at least, diba? Ayun guys, please pass this on also, this channel, ha? So we will open this soon. Basta guys, okay? So thank you so much for your support. I know there's not much of a subscriber, but why not, right? So why not start from zero? I mean, diba, sometimes the numbers are important, pero wala eh. If you're passionate about some kind of goal or diba, purpose, yung ganon. So let's help each other. Comment down below guys, so I can go on this journey also. Share, like, and share, like, and subscribe. Yun guys. Take care you guys again. Don't lose hope, ha? So go on and please check out this comfort podcast, the Sinigang, Champorado, and Lugaw podcast, comfort podcast. Okay? Here on Prototypes YouTube channel. This has been Carmina. Take care.